Home Depot and Lowe's took them about, when I called them, about two weeks
To do it?
to get the custom fitting. They said it would have took them 2 weeks, and that was before I even gave them the sizing of the door. So it'd take them 2 weeks.
Oh, wow. The one we did, right? The one you videotaped? That one?
That one and even the door.
At your house?
Yeah, at my house.
Oh, wow. It would have took them 2 weeks?
2 weeks.
You got the door on hand and it fits, it's the right door. All you do is run that door off and you install it. It should take no more than about an hour or two, depending on what you got to deal with. If you got to tear out the frame, then you figure,
it should only take you really to run the door, to get in, to cut the jam and route the jam and do everything you got to do to it. It should take you about 30 minutes. I'll have a whole house done in 2 weeks.
Should we do two houses? We could do like 2 weeks. We could do like
2 houses.
we could do a custom.
2 big houses.
And we're talking about
30 doors in the house.
yeah
25 doors, 20 doors.
from scratch. No Home Depot doors. They ain't coming out
They
pre-fit.
don't come out with no holes in them.
No holes in them.
No hinges, drum.
No hinges, nothing. They're coming plain, just doors, casing, not even cut. Some customers are not getting what they're just getting took advantage of. Just put it like that. I don't know. That's just my interpretation of. You want the best? Give us a call.